So right, hello my traders, welcome back to another episode of Forex Trading with Sai. If you're finding me for the first time, don't forget subscribe to the YouTube channel. I do technical analysis video every Tuesday from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. So always look out for the upload on the YouTube channel. So right, so let's get straight into it. Like we do every week, we always start off with AUD CAD. And straight away, you can see with AUD CAD, we're still in this consolidation range. And I haven't seen any real trade setup happening on AUD CAD. As you can see, we're just waiting for the market to pull to these two levels, either the support or resistant level, and the market is still between those two levels. So let's move on to AUD JPY. And with AUD JPY, we can see that we're having a nice little trade setup forming right here. As you can see, the market has broken that support level, and now what is happening, the market is came back up to this support level, and it's now looking like it is holding as a resistant level. So this next candlestick, the next two candlesticks, I will say on a 4-hour time frame, is quite important on AUD JPY. If I can take an aggressive trade on it, would I take this? You know what? I would wait for the next 4-hour candlestick to see what happens, to see if we have any reversal candlestick pattern happening on AUD JPY. One of the markets I'm gonna keep an eye on is AUD JPY. So market just right there. So next, let's move on to Euro AUD. Wow, a nice trade setup happened right here, but this happened on Monday. If you're new to trading or you're just finding me for the first time, you know that I do not really like to trade on Mondays. So you can see the market has touched this resistant level, rejected it and pushed back down towards the downside. And what is happening here, you can see the market is also rejecting this temporary support level right here. So we could probably wait for a breakout out of those two levels, but I'll be honest with Euro AUD, I'm probably going to leave that and just keep my eyes on that and see if we get a retest of this resistant level. Let's move on to Euro JPY. Yeah, again, not seeing much on Euro JPY. Still in that consolidation area. So Euro JPY is probably a waiting game as well. So we would want to keep our eyes on that as well. Euro USD. So right, I'm just going to highlight this resistant level up here. Put this right up here, and that is going to be our new resistant level for Euro USD. And bring this over across, also highlighting as our new support level. So right, Euro USD, that's pretty much it. That's our new support and resistant level for Euro USD. Moving on to GBP AUD. Yeah, again, not having any real structure confirmation on GBP AUD. So we're just going to keep our eyes on this and just look out for it. Don't think I'll have any trade set up on it for this week. GBP Chef, similar to GBP AUD, but we have a bit more structure on GBP Chef with this support level right here. You can see the market has come back down to this level here, tested this support area, and you can see all these wicks, and it's failed to break it, and it looks like it's pushing back towards the upside. So that's probably a trade we missed out on GBP Chef. Oh, this all started happening on Friday and Mondays, the 2 days I don't trade. Okay, let's move on to GBP USD. I'm seeing a new resistant level here on GBP USD. So right, people, you want to highlight those two levels right here, this resistant and support level on GBP USD. Let me know if you'd like me to form a new Telegram group highlighting the resistant and support levels that I have marked out on my currency pairs. That could be much helpful for you lot. So let me know in the comment if you'd like me to do that, and I'll start post those support and resistant levels for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it for GBP USD. To be fair though, this does look like a nice trade to take now. Oh, this happened in the morning. Oh, so right people, this looked like a nice trade. Could have took earlier, but fortunately I do not like to trade during the London breakout session, so I wouldn't have took that trade. Right, so let's move on. NZD CAD. Wow, look at NZD CAD. Came back and retested this support level, and look at that candlestick right there. That is so lovely. But this happened on a Monday. Unfortunately, the days I don't trade, and we had that rejection of this support level, and market pushed right towards the upside. Similar situation we had here as well. Remember, I took that trade last week, but I got stopped out as break even, and the market pushed towards the upside. So with AUD CAD, I'm probably not gonna touch this pair for this week. NZD USD. So I'll be honest with you, with NZD USD, I think we've got a new support level happening right here. So I'm just gonna highlight this level right here and keep an eye on it. You know what? Actually, sorry people, take this back down. I'm gonna highlight this as a temporary support level. Let's move on to USD CAD. Look at that. Market has broken that support level and it's pushing right back up. So you can see this is a false breakout and it is a strong support level. So I'm gonna keep my eyes on that actually. That is very, very strong bullish candlestick happening right here on the 4-hour time frame. So that's with USD CAD. Probably not gonna take a trade on that because I think the stop loss would be a bit too much if I be honest with you. So probably 20. Yeah, we're looking at around a 60 pip stop loss. It's a bit too risky for me if I'll be honest with you. Probably will leave that. Moving on to USD JPY. Not really any real structure on that. We have got a support and resistance level. Just waiting for confirmation if those levels will hold. So that's USD JPY. So that's USD JPY. Pretty much nothing much on that. So that brings it to an end of this week's technical analysis video with me. Just going to go over, recap the two currency pairs that I'm looking at. It's definitely AUD JPY. That's looking like I can take right now. And Euro JPY. Those are the two trades that I got my eyes on. And probably USD CAD as well, people. So people, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to join me every Tuesday. Look out for the upload between 11 AM and 1 PM GMT London time. Don't forget to trade smart. Have a good trading week. And I'll see you on the next one.